Good evening, I'm Grace White and welcome to our webcast. First Lady Dr. Jill Biden has arrived in Houston to encourage parents of young children to get their kids vaccinated against COVID-19. Mrs. Biden is visiting with doctors and patients at Texas Children's Hospital today. She's being accompanied on the trip by Surgeon General Vice Admiral Vivek Murthy. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommended the Pfizer vaccine for children between the ages of 5 and 11 earlier this month. But CBS News is reporting that fewer than 1 million kids in that age group have received their first shot. The First Lady directed her remarks today at parents.
The vaccine is the best way to prepare to protect your children against COVID-19. It's been thoroughly reviewed and rigorously tested. It's safe, it's free, and it's available for every child in our country, 5 and up.
Nearly 3 million Texas children in that younger age group are eligible for the vaccine. Brittany Ford shows us how doctors here in Houston have been working hard to administer shots.
It's a demand.
Parents have waited a long time to get their kids protected.
That is keeping healthcare workers busy.
The hospitals in the area have really scrambled to get appointments for kids.
Linda Yancey, infectious disease specialist with Memorial Hermann, says they've been working around the clock, putting shots in arms following the CDC's latest approved vaccine group, children ages 5 to 11.
Pediatricians' offices are working through the weekends, so we are scrambling to meet this demand.
Latest numbers from the Texas Department of State Health Services reflect just that. In Harris County alone, with children 5 and up now added, up to 70% of the total county population has received at least one dose of the vaccine. A rollout, Yancey says, should bring down the alarming number of pediatric COVID deaths we've seen.
COVID is in the top 10 killers of children in 2021.
What's next for children vaccines and what's next for what we can expect to see in the months to come?
So we still are trying to figure out if children are going to need a booster the way adults are.
Yancey says vaccine trials are currently underway to determine just that.
They probably will, but we don't know that for sure yet.
Brittany Ford, KHOU 11 News.
Remember, if you still have questions concerning the pandemic, you can text certain keywords to 713-526-1111. We'll send you back some helpful links. Those keywords include mask, school, vaccine, testing, map, and rent.